Joff, it's me, Bobby Boa. No, I'm thinking of going to KernelCon, and I saw this introduction to Python class. I want to learn more about Pythons. What's going on?
Well, g'day, Bobby Boa. How are you? It's good to see you. I had no idea that the Boa family was interested in the Python family. But yeah, we're doing this really good thing at KernelCon where you will get a really fine introduction to Python and get to experience a whole new family. And I think for the boa constrictors, this could be a really positive experience.
Oh, this is good because I don't know much about the pythons. I know about squeezing. I know about being a boa constrictor, but what are we gonna learn in this Python class?
Well, you're going to be able to learn to manipulate Python in all sorts of interesting ways. And if you are interested in offensive security or other aspects of information security, you are going to be able to automate those things that you do with your new Python family.
That would be good. I'm generally very solitary, climb a tree, get an orange, things like that. But having a whole group of pythons to be like, let's go do the thing. And I'd be like, yeah. So, okay. So when and where are you going to do this thing?
Well, so Bobby, we're going to Omaha, Nebraska, which is in the middle of the country. And we're going to do this thing on April 12th and April 13th. Coming up this month, it's in a very short time period. We're going to do it live. Here's the really cool thing. You get to experience having an instructor right there in front of you, helping you explain the Python family in depth so that you get to know all your new siblings at such an extensive fashion that you'll be able to have them doing all sorts of great things for you. And it's going to be so much fun.
Oh, this is fantastic. I was already thinking about going to Nebraska. I have family there. Yeah, the corn snakes. Yeah, lots of them. Yeah.
Right. The corn snakes, they need to communicate once in a while, right? So what if you have to change the way you communicate with your Python helpers? Well, we could remanipulate the way that you're sending that information with all your Python helpers to make it more efficient, faster.
Okay. So generally when I travel after that whole snakes on a plane incident, I just bring my scales and like a hot rock. What do I need to take this Python class?
Well, scales and a hot rock is a very good start, I would say. But yeah, you will have to bring your laptop. Yeah. I know that
lap.
Yeah, I know you don't have a lap, so you'll have to experiment with your tail probably and your tongue on your interface to the machine. But I'm pretty sure you can work it out. And that's how you're going to be able to communicate with your new Python family. Okay. And then with this laptop, we're going to put on top of it a special virtual machine that has all sorts of fun exercises for your brand new Python family to interact with you so that you can learn about the new family and learn about all the relationships that you need to make your life better.
Oh, this sounds wonderful. Okay, how much for this? Because I have to learn about my new Python friends. Yes.
I think we're charging $1,000 for attendance for a 2-day class. So that's 16 hours of material. You get the virtual machine, and we also have a capture the flag game that you get to play with the Pythons through your interface to the machine, which will be fantastic. And at the end of the capture the flag, the person that wins the most points when they're interacting with their Pythons will actually get a discount coupon, I believe we're going to do for future learning with the Antisyphon training. You get to learn other things with your brand new abilities, right? So Bobby, you've got to learn how to interface with your computer first. I know you don't have a lap, but we can use, the nearest tree, and we can put your machine on the tree, and
Okay.
then you could probably get your tail around
Yeah.
to interface with the keyboard, or maybe we can get some hardware hackers to build you a boa constrictor interface to the
Oh,
machine so that you can
that'd be
interact
good.
with your new Python family.
Yeah, I'll just borrow one of my cousins that I'm going to go see there. They use a corn shell on their Linux box.
Corn shell is perfect. Perfect.
Yeah, no, that's good. Yeah, and I have some rat snake friends that taught me about remote access toolkits too. Yeah.
Look, I mean, so you've got a head start. Okay. So, I
Should
mean,
I know anything else before joining to take the most
well,
advantage?
it would be a good idea if you have actually experienced a little bit of scripting in another language. Maybe you have experimented a little bit more with the corn shell.
Okay, that sounds good. So where do I go to register?
So there is a website, Bobby. It's KernelCon.org. And we can have you go to the training tab at that website, and you see multiple different courses there that you can sign up for. And then I think registrations are still open at this point, so there should be time to sign up.
Oh, this sounds wonderful. I'm gonna slither on over to that website and register right now at KernelCon.org and go to the training tab. Yes. Yeah. And
Yes.
definitely pick up a ticket for KernelCon too while I'm there.
Right. Right. And the good thing, KernelCon, I mean, you might find some brand new food sources for your family as well while you're there at KernelCon, because, the kernels.
Oh yeah. Yeah. And I hear there's lots of corn there. My rat snake friends tell me, oh, you would not believe the dining here. We got fat rats, we got small rats, we got everything. So this sounds great. Joff, I thank you so much for explaining it, because I was like, is it like speed dating? Do I meet the Pythons? But no, this clears everything up. So thank you so much, Joff.
I cannot wait, Bobby, until Bobby Boa Constrictor has a brand new Python family. I think it's going to enhance your life significantly.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. I'll see you in Nebraska, April 12th and 13th, Joff.
Okay, Bobby, I'm looking for you. I hope you're there.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Check out Introduction to Python with Joff Thayer at KernelCon on April 12th and 13th. Only 1,000 for 2 days of training. That's 16 hours of in-person instruction. Register now at KernelCon.org/training. See you there.